Hey, it's Jeff G. Holt of V-Twin Visionary, and I'm here today with Deadbeat Customs handlebar bag. There's a ton of handlebar bags on the market. I like this one a lot. The size-wise, it doesn't take over your whole space. You can run it either in front of the bar or facing you. What's cool about when it faces you is it does have a clear pocket for your phone, and your fingers do work through it. Inside of this little guy is a myriad of pockets. There is a zipper pocket on the top, which goes the whole way. There's straps for whatever you need. There's also more straps on the other side and a side zip for anything that you need to be hiding or keep anything out of the way. This bag is really cool. Deadbeat makes some cool stuff. As you know, they carry a lot of other people's stuff. They're a great retailer of stuff, but their own brand of items has been killing it. Super good gloves, these bags, and hopefully a lot more other stuff coming your way. Deadbeat Customs.